How many late nights have you wasted debugging token expiration logic or patching OAuth 2 flows just to meet a deadline? The full stack authentication pack stops the madness with production grade modules for JWT token pipelines, Google/GitHub OAuth 2 integrations, dynamic RBAC role trees, and encrypted session storage with automatic refresh token rotation. This isn't another half baked boilerplate. We're talking security hardened templates tested against OWASP top 10 threats. Whether you're a full stack developer racing to launch an MVP, a security lead enforcing compliance, or a DevOps engineer scaling user growth, we've got your back. Let's just say our threat model includes both hackers and your boss asking for just one more feature. Here's what's inside the full stack authentication pack. JWT token generation with JWK signing strategies. OAuth 2 provider integrations for Google, GitHub, and custom SSO. RBAC policy engine with role inheritance hierarchies. Encrypted session storage using AES 256 with Redis clusters. Security headers middleware for HSTS and CSP. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks showing 10K plus RPS capacity, and progress checklists for SOC 2 compliance. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolchain, it's your security architecture in a box. Installing the full stack authentication pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add full-stack-auth-pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: JWT pipelines, OAuth 2 providers, RBAC engine, and security middleware. Your next Claude code session picks up the context automatically. Your AI assistant now understands token revocation patterns, scopes validation, and session fixation protection. No config hell. Just import the modules and watch your security score soar. We promise not to add any more dependencies to your package.json, unless you count peace of mind.